So we're here at the Gulf Coast Big Rig Truck Show here in Biloxi, Mississippi with Mr. Gari Ladner. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
This truck caught my attention. Tell me about what we're standing in front of here.
Just a little 84 359. We've done a little patina on it and all, just to make it look old and everything.
Okay. And that's one of the things that caught my eye because it looks aged, but at the same time it looks like it's not aged. So tell me about that process that you guys did with that.
Just trying to sun, just fade it in and all. Like we're trying to get ready for the show and we wasn't able to do our fenders and all. So it's just, we're running behind everything. It's just old look, old school.
Tell me about the truck in terms of how long have you had it for?
I hadn't had this one probably 4 or 5 years, and this just been a little project truck. I haul cattle with it and everything. So I pull for a company out of Alabama, Montgomery, South Dakota, for a partner cattle company. We go west, we go out in the Texas Panhandle, we go Kansas, Nebraska, and then I do a lot of shorter runs. We work with a lot of growers and everything. So.
Yeah, what does this have for an engine and transmission?
It's got a little B model cat in it, a little 400, with a little 15 over. Old school against the dash. Got some Rockwell 355 rears in it.
Okay. And what's the wheelbase?
This is 272 on the wheelbase. It just looks a little longer with the little sleeper and all.
Yes, definitely does.
The bumper, it come from the Chrome Shack there in Poplarville. Seth, he got it for me. I've done a little what I wanted it to look like. As far as some of the other stuff, I've stretched it. Some custom deck plate, and, some different stuff in it. Mainly the interior, that's the biggest difference.
Yeah, okay.
I wanted something different. Everybody can put some chrome in a truck. I wanted something a little different.
Were you like, kicking back one day, had a couple beers, and you said, I'm going to do something different. That old truck there in the distance. I think what I'm going to do is, how'd you come up with that?
Yeah, like I said, I've done a lot of custom trucks, and me and my wife, we do a lot of flea markets like out in Canton, Texas and stuff. As far as the old tags, I've got tags back from the 20s in there. I've done them like a border, The floorboard is from like an old colonial ceiling. I've got it in the floorboard, Okay. You can stand at the door and just look for days, So.
Yeah, I've noticed that. So focal points, what's your favorite part of what you installed in the interior?
Probably my floorboard is just an eye catcher.
Yeah.
Whenever.
Now you said colonial period. Is there a certain age to those?
Well, yeah, the ceiling tile that was in it, it's pretty old.
And what would you guess in terms of age?
I figure like in the 30s maybe.
Wow.
Was a ceiling, in a bunch of the older houses and stuff.
That's cool. Now going up toward the dash and everything else, what you've done with the dash?
Nothing, just get a little ratty rod, with it. Just nothing particular. Just a little paint, some stickers, just something to throw out there.
Okay.
As far as the rest of the interior in there, the gear shift, that was a little different. I made it. I got 2 of them. I gave one of them to one of my buddies that hauls cows and stuff.
Okay. Now going back into the sleeper, what type of sleeper is that?
And 36.
Okay. So
it's rough for a big boy.
Okay. I hear you.
I made a big hole out of it, put a window in the back, and I got my tin in there with my tags and everything for the border and stuff.
Okay. Now, as far as history, because you mentioned that you've only had it for a couple of years, like what, four some years?
Yeah, the guy I bought it from, I had tried to buy it from him for years. We pulled it out of the bushes. It was in the bushes.
Okay.
It had been grown up.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you know what he did with it?
I want to say he pulled chips, a chip trailer.
Okay, so more like a little local work.
Yeah. It didn't go far. So I don't know where he got it from. So.
Okay, all right. Now, when you got the truck, did it have the turbo wing on it?
No, I named the truck Cash. All my old trucks I always named them. This one's name is Cash. It's like Johnny Cash, one piece at a time, because it's got a lot of pieces in my old trucks. The wing came off of one of my older trucks that got wrecked. Just little odd ends, different pieces we took off of different trucks, and I just named it Cash. Like Johnny Cash, one piece at a time, putting his car together.
That's cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, Gary. Well, thanks for your time,
Yes,
man.
sir.
And
yes, sir.
thanks for bringing the truck
Thank
to the
you.
show.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
see you.